Do you need to know how to operate the shift lock release on the gearbox of a Toyota Yaris Cross? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today I'm sat in a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross and I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to operate the shift lock release on the shifter for the gearbox. Now the shift locks there is a safety feature whereby if you don't have a driver sat in the driver's position with their foot firmly on the brake, you cannot move the shifter from the park position into reverse, neutral, drive. And it's so that if the car is energized or you have the engine running, the passenger or some children cannot accidentally knock that shifter into one of the drive gears, causing the car to move. However, there are some instances where you need to move this. For instance, if your battery's flat or you need to tow the car and you want to get it into neutral. And you are just going to need one tool for the job, which is a flat screwdriver. You can use the manual key from your key as well, but I prefer to use a screwdriver. So what we're going to do is just pop that into this black plastic cap there and just rock it so it just comes off. Now we're going to tuck that somewhere safe so we can put that back later. And now you'll see there's just a white bit exposed in there. We're just going to push the screwdriver down into that. It just moves about a centimetre and that allows us to now move into the neutral position. So you can now go ahead, move the car, push it around, tow it, whatever you need to do. But then when you do park it up, just put that straight back into the park position and the shift lock is automatically back on until a time that you push a screwdriver or a tool down into that hole again. So once you've parked up and you've got it back in park, I would always recommend get that plastic cap and just put that straight on so it doesn't get lost. There you go, that's how easy it is to operate the shift lock release on a Toyota Yaris Cross. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.